In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to the Klaviyo API, select data types, and automate export. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless integration that will save you time and optimize your workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, to begin your journey with the Klaviyo API, you'll need to access your Klaviyo account. It's important to make sure you have administrative access, as this is necessary for obtaining the API key. Once you're in, navigate to the account settings. In the account settings, look for the API keys section. This is where you can generate a new API key. Click on Create API Key or a similar button to generate a new key. It's a good practice to name your API key something descriptive so that you can easily identify it later, especially if you end up generating multiple keys over time. After creating your key, you'll want to copy it and store it securely. Treat this key like a password. It's sensitive information that should not be shared publicly or with unauthorized team members. Now, with your API key in hand, you'll need to set up a connection to the Klaviyo API through your data application or integration tool of choice. Make sure your tool supports RESTful APIs, as Klaviyo's API operates using these protocols. In the settings or connection section of your integration tool, you'll usually find an option to enter or paste your API key. Ensure everything is saved properly to establish the connection. With your Klaviyo API connection ready to go, the next step is to select the types of data you want to work with. Klaviyo offers a range of data options, from customer profiles to event data and campaign analytics. Consider what you're aiming to achieve with your data. For instance, if you want detailed analysis on customer behavior, you might choose to export event data. On the other hand, for insights into marketing performance, campaign data would be invaluable. Use the API documentation provided by Klaviyo as a guide to determine which data endpoints best fit your needs. Now that you have identified your desired data types, the final step is to automate the export process. Automation is a key advantage of using the Klaviyo API, as it allows you to set up regular, timed transfers of data without manual intervention. Within your integration tool, look for scheduling options. You'll often find these under a section labeled Automation or Scheduler. Set your desired frequency for data export. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often you need updates and your system's capacity to handle data. By following these steps, you'll have a robust system in place to efficiently manage and utilize your Klaviyo data with minimal ongoing effort. This will not only save you time, but also ensure you always have the latest data at your fingertips. With these steps complete, congrats! You've successfully connected to Klaviyo's API, selected your data priorities, and automated your export process. Thanks for watching, and happy data managing!